Pine called me in the fall and said, listen, I'm working on this new show about Steve. I know you're crazy busy, but would you consider doing it? I just wanted to know. I said, absolutely, let's work it out.
I've been a fan for a long time. I actually did, I did Tony in West Side Story when I was 21 years old. That would be 37 years ago.
Did you have a wish list of Sondheim songs that you wanted to do in this particular show?
The one thing I wanted to try to be sure to do is Send in the Clowns, because I love the song so much, and I know people will expect to hear that.
Don't you approve? One who keeps tearing around, one who can't move. Where are the clowns? Send in the clowns.
What is it like sharing the stage with Barbara Cook?
She's such a love. When we had our first meeting with everybody here at the Roundabout, everybody had to go around the circle and say hi. I'm Vanessa Williams, and I'm part of the cast. And Stephen started out and said, hi, I'm Stephen, I'm 80 years old, and this is my thing. And they got around to Barbara and said, listen, I'm the only one here who's older than Stephen. I'm 82.
I knew Barbara would be Barbara. I wasn't really aware of the depth of her artistry, of how she sings a song. And really simple, but really effective, and amazingly so. Vanessa is an amazing voice.
You said you loved me, or were you just being kind? Not a day goes by, or am I losing mine? I'll die day after day after day after day after day, till the days go by.
His lyrics are so clear and vivid as an actor to approach the material. It's very clear what you want to do.
People make a mistake, when they say he doesn't write melody. He really does. But he also writes real character songs that are not always super melodic, but the text is so great. It's a great pleasure to be inside Stephen's songs. That's the way I feel.